If you haven't picked up the phone to negotiate your interest rate this year, you've already paid the banks too much, my friends. Like thousands of dollars too much. And the worst part? It was optional. That interest, it's not fixed. It's not permanent. And you, yes, you, can negotiate it. In this video, I'm revealing insider level tactics that lenders won't advertise, but that absolutely works when you know how to use them. And no, I'm not going to tell you just call and ask nicely. This is negotiation strategy rooted in behavioral finance, client psychology, and real banking policy. I'm Doina Oncel, a financial strategist and educator, and for over a decade, I've been helping people like you and me turn stress, debt, and confusion into confidence, cash flow, and wealth. This video is going to give you so many amazing things. So let's name them. Number one, the exact prep work you need before calling your lender. Number two, real scripts that have worked for my clients across credit cards, line of credits, and even business debt. Number three, tactics most people don't know, like using rate match screenshots, competitor approvals, and soft inquiry strategies to create irresistible leverage. And finally, how to move forward if they say no. Because negotiation isn't just about winning, it's about not losing anymore. Watch to the end because I'll also share how you can book a one-on-one financial roadmap session with me and finally build a customized plan to pay less interest and build more wealth. But first, let's shift how you think about interest. Interest isn't just a fee. It's a loyalty tax. It's a penalty for not asking questions. And the truth is, your interest rate is just a starting point. It's a price tag, not a law. You wouldn't pay full sticker price for a car, right? Then why do it with your debt? Let me tell you about a client of mine. We'll call her Sarah. Sarah had $18,000 in credit card debt with a 21.99 interest rate. She was making all her payments on time, but the interest rate was eating over $300 a month, and she couldn't get ahead. We used one tactic I'm about to show you. They dropped her rate to 14.99% interest rate within 15 minutes. That one conversation saved her over $2,000 a year. That's money that went into her investment accounts instead. So no, you don't need to wait for a better credit score. You need to stop overpaying and start owning your money story. Here's where most people fail. They call without strategy. You don't go to court without evidence, right? The same rule applies here. Okay, step number one, pull your full credit report from Equifax and TransUnion. You need to know your score, utilization, and payment history. Okay, that is very important. Step number two, write down every debt you have, interest rate, balance, and minimum payment. Yes, every single one, okay? When you get on the phone, you want to sound like someone who knows their numbers. You're not guessing here. All right, step number three, get screenshots of your current lender's offers. Here's a tactic no one tells you. Become a secret shopper for your own bank. Go online, pretend you're a new customer, search for your bank's promo credit card or loan offers. You'll be shocked at how much lower the new rates are. Take a screenshot, print it out, save it. Now you've got real leverage. Okay, so you're ready for the call, but you're not calling to just ask nicely. You're positioning yourself as a smart, strategic client who knows what they want. Okay, let me share with you some scripts, okay? Script number one, the calm, confidence close. Hi, I've been a loyal customer for X number of years. I reviewed my account and noticed that I'm paying X percentage interest on my credit card. However, new customers are being offered whatever lower rate they're offering, and I like to see if that's something that you can extend to my portfolio as well. This is when you pause and you let them talk. Okay, here's script number 2, the value exchange offer. I'm currently organizing my finances and looking to make larger, consistent payments. If we can lower my interest rate, I'm prepared to set up automatic monthly transfers and keep the account with you. Is that something you can help with today? You pause again and you let them talk. Lenders love that. They hear automation, retention, and less risk. You're not asking for a favor, you're proposing a mutual beneficial solution. Okay, script number 3, the personal close, and it goes like this. This interest rate is making it harder to create financial stability for my family. I've been a responsible client and I'm hoping you can help me restructure so I can stay on top of it long term. Is there anything you can do to support that today? This works especially well if you're speaking to someone who's been in customer service for a long time. It reminds them that you're human, just like they are, not just a number. Okay, now let's go beyond the basics. Because if you really want to shake things up, the next moves can make lenders sweat. Well, let's hope so. Okay, here's tactic number 1. Use competing pre-approvals. Go to a site like Borrowwell or your credit union. Get a soft check pre-approval. You don't need to accept it. Just get the offer. If they offer, let's say, 11.99% interest and your card is now 19.99% interest, that's real market leverage. Now call your lender and say, I'd prefer to stay with you, but I've been pre-approved at a lower rate. Can you match it or give me a reason to stay? This works more often than not, especially in today's market. Tactic number 2, ask for a fixed term restructuring, and this is what you could say. Can we convert this credit card into a fixed installment plan to lower my interest and create a clear payoff date? Banks don't advertise these plans, but they do exist. They love it because it reduces their risk, and you will love it because it cuts your interest in half. Sometimes you'll get a no, and that's okay. Don't panic, okay? Instead, respond with confidence. Here's what you do. I got you. Okay, the first thing you do, you ask for documentation. Can you send that decision to me in writing? Or you can ask when you can revisit. When is the next time I'm eligible for a rate review? Or you can escalate. I like to speak with someone in account relations or a supervisor to see if there's a better solution. Always escalate when needed. If they truly can't help, you now have the power to transfer, consolidate, or refinance. But you do it on your own terms, not out of desperation. Okay, to make things easier for you, I'm going to share with you 30-day action plan or 4-week action plan so that it can help you take control of your interest rates. Week number 1, pull your credit card report and organize your balances. Week number 2, gather competing rates and soft check approvals. Week 3, make your negotiation calls and log every response. Week number 4, implement. Restructure, automate, transfer, or escalate if you need to. If you follow through, I promise you, you will never look at that the same way again. Before we close, I need you to hear this. Interest isn't just a financial issue. It's an emotional one. It's the stress you feel when the bills come. It's the guilt that you feel when you swipe your card. It's the shame that you feel when you avoid logging into your online banking. Every extra dollar of interest that you pay, it's a dollar you could have invested in your child's education or your future investment growth, or even something as simple as a debt-free family vacation. It's not about being perfect. It's about making one powerful decision at a time. Now, if you made it this far, you are ready. You're ready to start bleeding money. You're ready to build real momentum, and you're ready to take the next step. So here it is. Book your one-on-one financial roadmap session with me. We'll sit down, review your real numbers, and create a customized, no-fluff plan to help you pay off your debt faster, reduce interest immediately, build a real wealth foundation for your future. And if you're a parent, even better, I'll show you how to start passing these skills down to your kids. Click the link in the description below so you can book. Let's stop the cycle. Let's build wealth on purpose. You're not just lowering your interest, you're raising your financial standards, my friends. See you in the next video.